Here we have the display, which is a touchscreen display. It can also be inside the sauna, but mainly it's used outside. We can regulate the ventilation and the ventilation speed by using this display. We can switch it off, switch it on. This is very simple. When you see this heating bit or part, then the red means that at least one heating element is on. When all these stripes are red, then all the heating elements work. Right now, two are white, which means that two are off. Here's the target temperature. Here's the actual temperature of the sauna. Anyways, what I wanted to show here is that this is one of the first display pictures that every customer has. When you want to install it, then you go for info. You would choose your preferred or the heater that you own. Let's say right now we have the experience heater, which equals the air in Northern America. Then we take the power, how powerful the heater is. Then you can choose and type it in here. How big is your sauna, square feet wise? Then whether you have the glass door or not. Right now we have the glass door, so we should actually set it on. Then how many square feet you have. This is something you do only with this kind of regular saunas where you have 4 walls, but you can also install the barrel mode, which is the third picture of the info option. When you set it up on barrel, this only applies for barrels, not for regular saunas. So as I showed, it all starts with info option. Then it's also very important to know that whenever you choose the language, right now here we have English, but we can also choose French, for instance. I mean, we have like 23 languages, I think, available. You will mark it, and then the next on the same display is a region. For barrel mode, you will use the EU option. You can usually use also the US option, but with barrel you always go for EU option. So right now what we have is that we have chosen the language region. We have entered the sauna information. You can here enter the barrel sauna option. Right now we don't have barrel, so we won't enter it. And then when everything is done, you can choose the types of different saunas. You can pre-program those types. Right now I would choose, let's say, the first one. I go with Vegas, since we are in Vegas at the moment. I can choose whether I go, what's my target temperature? Is it 180, 185, 190, 195? I can go with European mode. I can go up to 212 Fahrenheit. I can pre-program my ventilation speed. Usually I recommend to stay on second speed level, and then I can also fix the time or the length of the ventilation interval. It can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We usually prefer our customers to use 15-minute time interval for the ventilation. And what is also important is that you can choose how long the heating process is actually on. It can be 1 hour, it can be 2 hours, 3 hours, up until 12 hours, which means when you choose 12 hours, then from the start of the heating process until 12th hour, the heater constantly switches it in and off, so that that basically it's on the whole time. For safety reasons, in domestic use, I would keep it rather on 3 or 4 hours. It's also important to know that with UL or US region option, you only have here 1 hour, and after every hour you set it up manually again. So right now for this Vegas option we have 212 Fahrenheit, 15-minute ventilation interval on second speed, and now I would like to switch it to maximum 12 hours. When everything has been set up, the language, the barrel mode, then I choose the sauna type. I start it, and now you see the target temperature is 212. The actual temperature is 179. No ventilation on at the moment, but whenever I choose to switch it on, then I have 15 minutes on second speed as I choose before. And since the actual temperature is at 180 now, then all my heating elements are on. When you connect the lights of the sauna to this particular control unit, then you can also switch in and off the lights from this unit. And that's pretty much it. It's actually quite simple. Obviously, yeah, you can use the schedule mode whenever you want to have the sauna ready, then you just choose which type, when, and basically Tuesday the Vegas type will be on. You can do it. It's something that you can schedule from this device. You can choose either Imperial metric system, AM, PM, or the 24-hour option. This is everything you can actually choose. All our devices are at Wi-Fi. When you want to use it with app, then you need to pair it with your computer. There's also a possibility to reboot, or when something is not right, you can also go with factory resets, which automatically updates the software. But I would rather recommend to go with software updates for once in a while, not with factory reset. And with updates, choosing the update option, you can have the latest version of this particular control unit software. This comes for free, and usually in every 2-3 months once.